to Instagram. We are live? So? Okay, I'm gonna start. Io inizio a preparare un po', ecco. Partita. So I'm gonna start to prepare some drinks with the Oscar mood. Today we're trying to experiment a little bit of the drinks with the Oscar mood. Starting off obviously from espresso. As always, even here we weigh the coffee in and the coffee out to have a better extraction. So, can you hear me? Yeah? What I'm dosing is normal recipe, 15 grams in and 35, 30 out. La sto usando adesso. Il bello della diretta. Ok? Ok, quindi il primo drink che faremo oggi è l'espresso ovviamente, poi passeremo con un cappuccino e il flat white. Quindi questi sono i primi due espressi di oggi, anche se abbiamo usato. So we have used the coffee machine also for some customer, and this is the look. I'll show you also here. And now we're trying to go with a cappuccino and flat white. So today we're gonna do the cappuccino with double shot because we like it strong. We're gonna start with the espresso, obviously. And the recipe will be the same, 15 in, 35, 30 out. There we go. And now beautiful. Also this machine is able to steam the milk while we actually making espresso. So we're gonna do the milk now. Oops. So to pour a good cappuccino, we have to froth the milk a little bit more. The good thing is also the cool touch. To who haven't seen it, questi cappuccini con la Oscar Mood. Ciao! Oh, it's very easy. It works like a normal coffee machine, but for who doesn't have much experience, it's very, very simple to use it. And the good part is that you can really become a barista at home very easily. Now oh yeah, it's we're gonna see the cleaning in a little bit. Now we're gonna make a flat white, a typical new drink that at home everyone start to enjoy, just to show the different way of how we can actually make the crema with the milk. The recipe will be the same, 15 gram in and 30 out, 35 out. There we go. So the best part of this machine is always the fact that you're feeling like a barista all the time. The extraction is unbelievable. Non ho capito. If you guys have any question about the coffee or the extraction or the mood, let us know in the comment below, yeah? And also, we need some likes in the story. We get it some in TikTok. Let's get it also in Instagram. Per i ragazzi che mi seguono su TikTok, sto facendo tutto in inglese perché siamo in una fiera internazionale, So the crema here is a little bit lighter. So we can pour as one. I'm trying not to drop it, obviously. So this is, let's show. Ciao! You like it? Now we are going a little bit more classic. So we do the latte macchiato that we normally do in Italy. So we will need a glass like this one here. So we're gonna start by making the milk first. We need a little bit more creamy milk. And now we pour it in the glass over here, just like this, easy. We need all the crema to go in. I'm trying to be as clean as possible, as we need to do at home, obviously. And now we're gonna make 2 espresso. So don't forget always to clean the portafilter if you wanna be a real barista, yeah? So portafilter clean. Ciao Lorenzo, ciao Barbara. is coming the best part of this drink, the espresso pouring. The recipe is going to be always the same, 15 grams in, 30 grams out. And now this double shot will go in the milk. So you see it? First espresso. And then with the second one. Beautiful. This is probably the best looking drink that we do in Italy, like this. And now we show you another one. It's called Oscar Mood, and it's by Nuova Simonelli. Is what I always said is like a perfect machine for who wants to be or enjoy the fact to be a barista and actually do the espresso like a proper one, like professionally way, and also who loves a quality coffee at home. For who loves cappuccino, is probably the best machine that you can have because you froth the milk like a proper normal one. Now, we are in Greece, so we're trying to do the iced coffee like a Greek one, but we will use the coffee machine. So I will get a glass, I will get some ice, just 1 second. There we go, glass full of ice. Double espresso. But now we do something very cool, and we use the steam one to actually froth the espresso. There you go. Here, for the recipe, I need a longer espresso. So instead of 30 to 35, I will probably go between 35 to 40 grams. We're using also a timer to timing our shots. So, and now we do 2 shots of espresso. And now look at this one. So here we have the 2 espresso. And now we use the steam one to foam it. And that is the result, a very creamy mouth-filled espresso with ice, obviously. We have to be quick in making it because otherwise we're gonna melt the ice. I wanted to taste this one because it's actually my favorite coffee. Unbelievable. So those are the drinks, some of the drinks that you can actually do with the Oscar Mood. But for sure you will see in the next live new drinks. So thank you for watching our live and see you on next one. Ciao!